Hello everyone, this is Chanjin from the Ancient Academy of Science and Arts. So, as you can see over here, I've brought the topic of trophy hunting, hunting the endangered species. So, there are many endangered species on Earth. More than 79,800 types of endangered species are currently struggling to survive. And today we have an interesting topic to discuss. So, what if we could legally hunt these endangered species? Surprisingly, there are some places that do. So let's dig into this interesting story. Due to the indiscriminate killing of animals and the destruction of environment by humans, many animals are now not seen. And some people argue that they can save these animals by killing them. So if you can look at these two images over here, the black rhino, you can shoot these rhinos for 50,000 bucks per head, and then the Atlantic walrus for 6,500. So are these people insane? Are they eager to kill these wild animals and showing off human beings' cruelty? So the answer is no, and let's see what really happened. So here's what actually happened. While hunting wild endangered species are illegal, many African countries have been plagued by poachers. So for the black rhinos, the number plunged from 65,000 to 2,500, and then so some animal rights groups and the African government, which had no choice, they tried to use the market incentive, and as they couldn't stop poaching, they used it as a chance. So if hunters were allowed a limited number of hunts and then charged to pay a large sum of money, ranchers would take the lead in protecting and managing the endangered species, helping increase their population. So actually, the population of black rhinos, as you can see, increased from 3,500 in 2004 to 5,500 in 2018. An increase has also been seen in the number of southern white rhinos in a similar situation. So they increased from 18,000 to 18 million. So allowing private landowners to conduct carefully controlled trophy hunts can provide a financial incentive to keep rhinos. Today, approximately 50% of South Africa's rhinos are now privately owned. By sacrificing little of them, we can help the whole endangered species. So hunters can now hunt legally, ranchers can earn money by saving the number of endangered species, and the rhinos can avoid their extinction, except for a few unlucky individuals. So in terms of economic reasoning, trophy hunting seems to be a good way. It makes some people richer and no one worse. Ranch owners can make money, as I told you again, and then hunters have the opportunity to stalk and shoot formidable creatures and revive endangered species on the other hand. So what could totally be a problem? However, trophy hunting is a hard, morally complex, because it seeks to protect an endangered species by promoting to kill them. So, are there any alternatives? Trophy hunting may not be the only way to make wildlife valuable to people and to return local benefits. Photographic tourism can be also a valuable offer in many places and has generated economic benefits for conservation. However, viable over only a very limited percentage of the wildlife area currently manageable for trophy hunting. So it requires political statics and then proximity to good transport links, populations to guarantee viewing, and scenic landscapes and so on. So for the photographic tourism, we need so much things to care about, and then we don't even know if it really works or so. So the situation has come that the tragedy caused by human beings should be prevented with smaller tragedy. Now humans are in a position to kill extinct animals in order to save them. Personally, I hope that there will be something that the mankind can learn from this situation. There are a variety of arguments that are different from these arguments. So, like, we save the endangered species that we adore. So look at these bears over here. So if these bears were like ugly or so on, would we be able to protect them very easily? So these kinds of problems can matter. So there are still many challenges for the present human race. Thank you for listening.